So very good afternoon to you, sir.
Good
My name is Nikita. I am from Rail Analysis team. As you are aware that Rail Analysis is having its 7th Rail and Macro Technology Conclave at Bharat Mandapam. So please introduce yourself and give us a brief overview of your company products and its core offering to the railways.
Yeah, good morning, good afternoon rather. I am Pankaj Soni, Managing Director of TLT Turbo India Private Limited. We are a subsidiary of a German company, and in India we have completed almost 10 years now. We are offering for metro rail and tunnel application, which is specifically for underground metro and tunnel application. So specifically the ventilation system, and the entire ventilation is the technology is coming from TLT Germany, which is our head office. And in India, we are doing mostly the localization activity of these equipment, and we are looking for a prospective customers in India for this kind of tunnel and metro application. Yeah.
So your booth has lot more tech on display. So what are the main product you are showcasing in the event and where in the world you are delivering right now?
Yeah, if you see basically, in metro and tunnel application, as of now, a lot of people, they have used booster fan as a application or jet fan as a application. But since last 5 years, we have developed this new project, which is product called Mojet. And it's a technology joint venture with one of the expert from UK. And we put together, we have, developed this product offering, which is more efficient and more reliable, and in a compact design it can handle large amount of mass flow and pressure, specifically for tunnel application. The idea is that basically to reduce the number of fans, if you have to install 2 or 4 or 6 or 8 fans, I think with our Mojet design we can reduce the number of installation inside the tunnel application. Then of course this side you can see these are our axial flow fan design, which can handle basically for longer tunnel applications, wherever you need a exhaust or fresh air inside, or even the piston effect, which is called into tunnel application. To take care of that, these are the axial flow fans which is coming into the picture. And of course, we in Europe, we are one of the leading technology provider. We have done a longest tunnel in Europe, which is the 57-kilometer Gotthard-based tunnel, which is for the high-speed rail. And recently, we also acquired a new order from the similar project, which is for another second tunnel, where TLT has been awarded with the order. Yeah.
All right. So as a global exporter, which market you are targeting and attractively servicing your product?
Typically from India right now, from the territory perspective, we take care of the Indian as a territory. Of course, as I mentioned to you, we have a lot of installed base in Europe, and I would say predominantly in Europe with Deutsche Bahn or with, Switzerland or Austria or Belgium, all these countries, or even in UK or Paris, we have a lot of installation. But from Indian perspective, yes, I would say we are relatively 10 years, but we are relatively new for this application. There are well-established players. So we are targeting typically the Indian market for metro and tunnel application, as well as the Gulf region as a market going forward.
All right. So how effectively has this platform been for the business marketing and the lead generation for the brand visibility for you?
I think mainly I would say it is mainly for the visibility of the brand. We have decided to participate in this. From industrial sector perspective, TLT is well renowned and recognized brand in India since 1984. But for this particular market, we are still not recognized, or we are also trying to do some kind of more of a B2B activity with EPCs or the major technology partner in this field. And I feel this is a very good platform where we managed to meet some of them, and at least we can have traction with them in future as we move on. Looking at the infrastructure segment in India, I feel this is one of also a very important segment which we want to develop in future.
All right. So thank you so much for your participation and wishing you all the best for your future.
Thank you, madam. Thank you very much.